Connection Internet Review 2025. Is this the best river and travel internet solution? Staying connected on the road in 2025 can be challenging, and Connection promises to make mobile internet seamless for rovers and travelers. But is it really the best solution? Connection offers portable AIK and LT hotspots with nationwide coverage, unlimited data options and flexible plans. Most people get this wrong. They assume travel internet is slow or unreliable, but Connection provides consistent speeds even in rural or remote locations. You won't believe what happens next. It includes easy device management via an app, allowing you to track data usage, change plans, and monitor coverage in real time. Setup is simple. You power on the hotspot, connect devices via Wi-Fi, and you're online instantly. The hardware is portable, compact, and ideal for ERVs, campers, or remote offices. Limitations include coverage gaps in extremely remote regions and the need for a charge hotspot for extended travel. Pricing is higher than home broadband, but the convenience of reliable mobile internet often outweighs cost. So, is Connection the best travel internet solution? For road warriors, we're owners, and digital nomads, it's one of the strongest options available. The surprising truth is that with the right mobile hotspot, you don't have to sacrifice speed or reliability when traveling. The right tool keeps you connected anywhere.